Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add face data to the face recognition feature on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So if you want to use the face recognition feature, you want to go to the settings and then let's scroll down and go to security and privacy. Over here, let's tap biometrics here. And then at the top we have face recognition. Here we can register our face. Of course, we need to enter our PIN code, password, or draw the pattern. Now let's continue. And then we can start registering our face. Over here you can read the information about face recognition if you want to. If you press continue, then you will open the camera, and now you need to pretty much scan your face. Once you scan your face, then you will see the face recognition settings where you can enable and disable the face unlock completely. You can stay on lock screen until swipe if you want to. You can brighten the screen, and you can remove the face data if you want to. So if you go back, then we will go back to the biometrics, and you need to simply tap on face recognition, enter the PIN code in order to access these settings. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.